Let's check the news from AWS. Amazon Simple Queue Service has introduced fair queues as a feature to mitigate noisy neighbor impact in multi-tenant standard queues. This innovation helps maintain quality of service for all tenants while preserving scalability and throughput. To enable fair queues, users must include a message group ID when sending messages to their Amazon SQS standard queues. The feature is particularly valuable for SaaS applications serving multiple customers through shared queues, microservices processing events from multiple resources, and applications handling messages for different request types. Fair queues help maintain consistent dwell time across tenants by reordering messages when a single tenant causes the queue to build a backlog. Amazon SQS fair queues are available in all AWS commercial and GovCloud regions. The feature can be adopted in live systems with no interruption or migration, as no changes are required for message consumers. Amazon Connect has introduced a new pricing model for its external voice connectors, charging customers $100 per connector per day. This move provides more granular billing options for users. The daily rate applies to both new and existing connectors. The two types of external voice connectors available on Amazon Connect include the Transfer Connector and the Analytics Connector. The former enables the transfer of voice calls and metadata to another voice system, allowing customers to utilize Amazon Connect's telephony and self-service AI capabilities with their existing voice system. The latter allows Amazon Connect Contact Lens to ingest streaming voice and metadata from other voice systems, providing features such as contact records, call recordings, real-time analytics, and agent evaluations. Amazon RDS for DB2 has introduced support for group-based authorization using self-managed Microsoft Active Directory. This integration enables customers to manage user credentials and groups securely in their own Active Directory and use them to access RDS for DB2 instances. The setup process is straightforward, requiring only the configuration of an AWS-managed Active Directory and the establishment of a one-way forest trust with the self-managed Active Directory. As a result, customers can enjoy a consistent and secure access experience across on-premises and cloud-based DB2 workloads without having to manage separate user accounts and permissions. This convenience is made possible through Amazon RDS's ability to simplify the setup, operation, and scaling of DB2 deployments in the cloud. Amazon Braket, a quantum computing service by Amazon Web Services, has introduced Emerald, a 54-qubit quantum processing unit from IQM. This latest addition to their platform provides state-of-the-art gate fidelities and dynamic circuit support, enabling researchers to experiment with quantum algorithms. They can now access the Emerald QPU, which features a square lattice topology based on superconducting transmon technology, through Amazon Braket's console or SDK. The QPU is hosted in Munich, Germany, and available via the Europe region. Researchers at accredited institutions can apply for AWS credits to support their experiments on Amazon Braket through the AWS Cloud Credits for Research program. To get started with Emerald, they should read the blog post and explore the documentation, pricing information, and console. Amazon EC2 C7 GD instances are now available in additional AWS regions, offering up to 3.8 terabytes of local NVMe-based SSD block-level storage for applications requiring high-speed and low-latency storage. These Graviton 3-based instances feature DDR5 memory and are built on the AWS Nitro system. They provide a significant improvement in real-time NVMe storage performance, boasting up to 45% better performance compared to similar Graviton 2-based instances. Furthermore, they utilize up to 60% less energy for the same level of performance, allowing organizations to reduce their carbon footprint. These new instances are ideal for applications that require temporary storage for scratch space, temporary files, and caches. With their enhanced capabilities, developers can create more efficient solutions that take advantage of the benefits offered by Amazon EC2 C7 GD instances. To learn more about these new instances, users can visit the Amazon C7 GD instances page. To get started with Amazon EC2 C7 GD instances, users can access the AWS Management Console. Amazon Relational Database Service for PostgreSQL, MySQL, and MariaDB has expanded its support to M6i database instances in additional AWS regions. This includes Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL, which now supports version 17.1 and higher. Similarly, Amazon RDS for MySQL and MariaDB have also gained support for M6i instances, with corresponding version requirements. In the AWS GovCloud and Asia-Pacific regions, they can create fully managed database instances using the Amazon RDS Management Console. For more information on pricing and regional availability, users are directed to the Amazon RDS pricing page. The M7i DB instances are available for Amazon RDS for MySQL version 8.0.32 and higher, as well as Amazon RDS for MariaDB versions 11.4, 10.11, 10.6, 10.5, and 10.4. Amazon Relational Database Service for PostgreSQL, MySQL, and MariaDB has introduced support for M7i database instances in the AWS Asia-Pacific region. This move marks the availability of the latest Intel-based offering, which features a new maximum instance size of 48 large, providing 50% more vCPU and memory compared to the previous M6i instance type. The M7i DB instances are compatible with Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL version 17.1 and higher, as well as Amazon RDS for MySQL version 8.0.32 and higher, and Amazon RDS for MariaDB version 11.4, 10.11, 10.6, 10.5, and 10.4. These M7i DB instances can be created using the Amazon RDS Management Console, and pricing information is available on the Amazon RDS pricing page. The AWS User Guide provides additional details on how to get started with these fully managed database instances. Amazon Aurora supports R7i database instances in additional regions. Amazon Relational Database Service for PostgreSQL, MySQL, and MariaDB has expanded its support to include R7G database instances in additional AWS regions. These instances are powered by Graviton 3 processors, which provide up to 30% performance improvement over their Graviton 2-based counterparts. The new R7G instances feature the latest DDR5 memory, offering 50% more memory bandwidth compared to DDR4. This enables high-speed access to data in memory and enhances overall system performance. Additionally, these instances support optimized writes for MySQL and MariaDB, allowing users to improve write throughput by up to 2 times at no additional cost. R7G database instances are now available on RDS for PostgreSQL versions 13.4, 14.5, 15, 16, and 17, as well as RDS for MySQL versions 8.0 and 8.4, and RDS for MariaDB versions 10.4, 10.5, 10.6, 10.11, and 11.4. Amazon Aurora has expanded its support for R7G database instances to additional AWS regions, specifically Canada West, Israel, Middle East, and AWS GovCloud. This update brings several improvements over previous Graviton 2 processors, including up to 30% performance gains depending on the database engine, version, and workload. The R7G instances feature DDR5 memory, providing 50% more memory bandwidth compared to DDR4, enabling faster data access. The new instances also offer enhanced networking bandwidth of up to 30 gigabits per second and up to 20 gigabits per second for Amazon Elastic Block Store. Upgrading to Graviton 3 requires a simple instance type modification, which can be done through the Amazon RDS Management Console or AWS CLI. Amazon Aurora is designed for high performance and availability at scale, with full MySQL and PostgreSQL compatibility. It provides built-in security, continuous backups, serverless compute, up to 15 RAID replicas, and integrations with other AWS services. Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL, MySQL, and MariaDB now supports M8G and R8G database instances in additional AWS regions. Specifically, they are available in Asia-Pacific and Asia-Pacific regions for M8G instances and in AWS US West regions for R8G instances. According to Amazon RDS, these new instance types offer a significant performance boost of up to 40% compared to Graviton 3-based instances, with on-demand pricing showing a price/performance improvement of up to 29%. These database instances are compatible with various versions of PostgreSQL, MySQL, and MariaDB, including 17.1 or higher for PostgreSQL, 8.0.32 or higher for MySQL, and 1.4.3 or higher for MariaDB. Users can create fully managed M8G or R8G database instances using the Amazon RDS Management Console. For more information on pricing and regional availability, users should refer to the Amazon RDS pricing page. Amazon Aurora now supports R8G database instances in the AWS US West region, offering larger instance sizes up to 48 large. These instances feature an 8:1 ratio of memory to vCPU and the latest DDR5 memory, providing a performance boost of up to 40% and price/performance improvement of up to 29%. Graviton 4 processors are the latest generation of custom-designed processors built on the AWS Nitro system. The new R8G DB instances are available with two sizes, 24s large and 48s large, offering up to 192 vCPU, enhanced networking bandwidth of up to 50 gigabits per second, and up to 40 gigabits per second of bandwidth to Amazon Elastic Block Store. Users can launch these instances in the Amazon RDS Management Console or using the AWS CLI. Upgrading a database instance to Graviton 4 requires only a simple instance type modification, as documented in the Aurora documentation. Amazon Aurora is designed for high performance and availability at global scale with full MySQL and PostgreSQL compatibility, offering built-in security, continuous backups, serverless compute, RAID replicas, automated multi-region replication, and integrations with other AWS services. Amazon MSK has announced significant improvements to its express brokers, allowing them to support up to 5x more partitions. This increase in partition capacity enables Amazon MSK customers to host partition-bound workloads on fewer brokers, leading to improved price performance and reduced costs. For instance, M7G.16's large instances can now support up to 20,000 partitions per broker, a significant jump from the previous limit of 4,000. To maintain cluster stability and prevent partition counts from exceeding safe thresholds at these higher limits, Amazon MSK has also introduced quotas on the maximum number of partitions that can be created per express broker. This feature is particularly valuable for streaming applications requiring numerous topics, microservice architectures with many small topics, and data ingestion pipelines supporting multiple data sources. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.